Do we have three brains? Yes, the concept of having three brains, the head, the heart, and the gut, is a widely recognized framework in neuroscience. The head brain is also called as the cephalic brain, contains roughly 86 billion neurons. It handles logic, language, data analysis, and conscious decision making. It is simply the thinker. It processes the past and plans for the future. The second one is the gut brain, also called as the enteric brain. It contains roughly 100 to 500 million neurons, also called as the enteric nervous system. It manages the entire digestive system, tracks metabolic health, and synthesizes 90% of body serotonin, which is a neurotransmitter that regulates gut motility and also heavily influences our overall mood, sleep cycles, and pain tolerance. The gut brain works along the gut's immune cells, which represent about 70% of our body's total immune system, to detect dangerous pathogens or toxins and initiates a defense mechanism. When it detects stress or a threat, it generates a physical sensation like tightness, butterflies, or nausea. We often call it as gut feeling or intuition. The third one is the heart brain, which is also called as a cardiac brain. It contains about 40,000 specialized neurons, officially called as the intrinsic cardiac nervous system. Which was discovered by neurocardiologists in the 1990s. This little brain allows the heart to learn, remember, and make independent adjustments to heart rate and blood pressure. It also acts as an endocrine gland, synthesizing and releasing critical hormones and neurotransmitters like atrial natriuretic peptide, the hormone that controls blood pressure, regulates body fluid balance, also directly influences the kidney function. Then the neurotransmitters like dopamine, norepinephrine, and oxytocin, which is often called as a love hormone or bonding hormone, thus directly affecting emotional processing and social behavior. These three systems, three brains, do not work in isolation. They are constantly talking to each other through the vagus nerve, a massive information highway. Interestingly, the communication is not top down from the brain to the heart to the gut or controlled by the brain. Research findings suggest that about 80 to 90% of the nerve fibers in the vagus nerve carry signals upward from the heart and the gut to the brain. This means our physical heartstrings and gut feelings are literally sending data to our brain to influence our mood, anxiety levels, and choices before we even consciously think about them. If you want to know more, the references are given in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, stay blessed.